Namaste everyone. This is a day 43 of my DC journey. Today I solve a isomorphic string problem. In this problem, the two strings are given and we need to check the given string are isomorphic or not. But first of all, what is isomorphic string? So isomorphic string, let's understand very simple way. So in this problem, the two strings are given. So let's suppose the first one is egg, E double G, and the second string was a egg, A double D. When we map the first string, like the first character is a E, we map as a second string A and G as a D. So that form the second string, like egg form egg, and we map the egg as a egg. So A to map E and D map to G. So that egg form the egg string. So this is a isomorphic string when the first string form the second and second string form the first. So that is the isomorphic string. If they are not form the second string, then the given string are not isomorphic. To solve this problem, I use a hash map concept. The first map I create for S to T string, and the second map is a T to S string, and check the I traverse the first string and check the given string are belong to the store or not. If they are not exists, then I create like mapping S to T and T to S, both mapping. And if any of the edge cases like they are already mapped some character, like any other example, like if any character are already mapped but they are again used, but they have a different character to form the second string. So that the particular point when the condition are break, so we return the false. If all the characters for the S to T and T to S are formed, so at the end we return true because that they form the correct way. So that are the isomorphic string. And yeah, that's it. I have shared my code and approach and how I solve and thought step by step in my GitHub repo. So feel free to check it out and understand a more easy way in my GitHub repo to read it out. And this solution work in order of n time complexity. And space complexity is we consider is order of 1 because it's a form like we are mapping. So it's a 26. The higher is grows, so it's only 26 for the both character like S to T and T to S, because yeah, small cases we are handling. Yeah, that's it, and see you in the next one.